Now, very interesting topic. It is determinant solutions of the linear equations, and by which method we are going to do? By the Cramer's rule. Okay. So, we are having Cramer's rule and then we are having a matrix rule. Okay. So, first thing is that we are going with the Cramer's rule. Now, it is written determinant solutions of the linear equation. So, first we are going for two linear equations, that means 2 into 2 determinant, and then we are going for 3 linear equations. Okay. So, consider the simultaneous equation say a1x plus b1y is equal to d1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to d2. Okay. Now, algorithm approach for 2 into 2 determinant. Now, step 1. Write the equations in the form a1 x plus b1 y is equal to d1, a2 x plus b2 y is equal to d2 as a1 b1 a2 b2 xy is equal to d1 d2. First step. Okay. Now, step 2. Evaluate d is equal to a1 b1 a2 b2. Step 3. If d is not equal to 0, then the given equations has a unique solution. Is it clear? Step 4. Now, step 4 is very important. Evaluate. Now, we are having two new terms, that is dx. Now, in the dx, what we are going to do, in place of first column, I am writing d1 and d2 and then b1 b2. And for dy, in place of first column again a1 a2 and second column d1 d2. Is it clear? So, means first column with which part? With the constant terms, and same second column with again the constant terms. Express the solution of x and y as below and then evaluate. X is equal to dx by d and y is equal to dy by d. Is it clear? x and y are the required results. So, we can go for the two linear simultaneous equations in this format.